Decius, the name is mine. I'm here to kill an ugly swine. He might be half a man, but eat and poo is all he can. I'm here to kill him with my sword. Why? Well, because I'm bored. The Minotaur has got no chance but going in defense. I'm so strong, I can do this if I'm not wrong. In his labyrinth he hides because he's gonna die. Just a few steps, I think I'm getting near. Don't be afraid, Decius is here.
It's the H to the E to the R to the O. He's running out of time and he really needs to go off Bullhoffman against the sword of metal, and with that thing he's gonna win this battle.
I'm fighting to the death, so I hope I won't miss him. I'm a Greek demigod, so you better listen. Gonna eat some rum, I am doing on my own, cause zero experience, but this idiot is going down. Can back down, can stack now, the world needs me to stack now. Gonna kick some bully's ass for what he is doing right now. To bring me to this idiot, and then ring the bell. I'm gonna kill him, and he's going straight to hell.
The H to the E to the R to the O. He's running out of time and he really needs to go off Bullhoffman against the sword of metal, and with that thing he's gonna win this battle.
You think you could kill me? That I am very weak? I'm stronger than you people, and I'm stronger than this freak. You really think killing me is something very easy? I could eat you if I want, but you're too ugly. Is it dinner time? I see some weak meat. Oh wait, it's the faggot that I'm gonna beat. Killing you is my goal. You look like a freaking troll, still playing with some kid of 7 years old? You think the kids are that stupid that they're going to me? I'm just still searching for an opening so I could be free. Of course you're here, buyer of If You Are Forever Alone. H-E-R-O, more like H-E-R no. Your mom is just a fool. She did it with a fool. You're never leaving here and you should have been feared. I want to say one thing. Your mommy is a whore. And now I'm gonna cut you till you are no more.
It's the H to the E to the